Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the Huion Inspiroy 2, one of the best budget creative pen tablets you can get right now for digital art, design, and photo editing. Let's see what's inside the box and how it actually performs. So, the packaging looks really clean and minimal, classic Huion style. Inside, we get the Inspiroy 2 tablet itself, everything's neatly packed and feels premium for its price range. The PW110 battery-free pen, a quick start guide, a USB-C cable, a stylish pen holder, and USB OTG. Nice addition for smoother strokes. The tablet itself is super slim, lightweight, and has a nice matte texture. You also get 8 customizable shortcut keys, a scroll wheel, and 3 group buttons, which let you switch between multiple shortcut sets instantly. The build quality is excellent, solid, and sleek. Moving to the pen, it's completely battery-free and very comfortable to hold. It offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and plus or minus 60 degrees of tilt support, so you can get precise, natural strokes just like a real brush or pencil. The response time feels snappy, with almost no lag, and it performs really well in apps like Photoshop, Krita, and Clip Studio Paint. The Inspiroy 2 connects via USB-C, and it works with Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and even Chrome OS. You can easily plug it into your laptop or Android phone and start sketching instantly. Setup was super easy with the Huion driver. You can customize all the keys, pressure curves, and pen buttons right from the software. All right, let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros: excellent pen performance and pressure accuracy. Great build quality for the price, scroll wheel and shortcut group keys are super handy. Works across multiple platforms. No wireless or Bluetooth option. Small version can feel a bit cramped for big artworks. Driver might need tweaking if you're on Windows Ink. This one is the medium version, with a drawing area of around 8.7 by 5.4 inches. It actually feels like drawing on paper, which is a sweet spot between portability and workspace. Thanks for watching. Do let us know in the comments section if you want us to thoroughly review it by testing it to a computer. Goodbye.